Here's the housing inventory growth trend from July 2022 to July 2023 for Portland, Oregon, and the surrounding cities. Let's start with the July 2022 housing inventory map. Every location has over 1 month of inventory, and 4 locations have over 2 months of inventory. Fast forward to July 2023, and every location has over 1 month of inventory. 6 have over 2 months, and 3 have over 3 months of inventory. And to stay on top of the trend, here's the month-on-month housing inventory percent change. 10 out of 12 locations show a housing inventory increase. So what does this tell us? The year-on-year housing inventory activity shows both increases and decreases, but the current activity shows more increases. Essentially, housing supply has been rising since January 2023, and housing demand isn't keeping pace. Increased housing inventory is good news for home buyers, but seeing how long this increase will last will be interesting. For additional information and all things real estate, go to homemadeportland.com.